To the real estate space then, and DLF hit the market today to raise over 1,800 crores by placing shares with institutions. It's selling 8.1 crore shares at a floor price of 222 rupees per share. Let's get more details then. Nisha Poddar joins in from our Mumbai newsroom. Nisha, walk us through the fundraising plans as well as how much this is going to aid offsetting the overall debt burden for DLF.
Right, Avan, it's extremely important at this point for DLF to raise some funds and bring down their debt levels, which is over 21,000 crore rupees. And of course, the promoters have taken this opportunity because while they have to adhere to the SEBI norms of sticking to the 75% holding, and they have over 78%, so they have gone through the IPP route in which the share capital will increase. A fresh issue of shares will ensure that there will be money or cash infused into DLF, and that is going to be utilized by DLF for bringing down their debt levels. At the moment, the price band is 222 rupees to 233 rupees per share, and sources do tell us that the book has been filled, but we haven't got any confirmation from the company as yet on that one. Of course, we have to see at what price really this particular issue really gets done, because remember earlier when they started, they wanted to raise about $400 million, that is 2,200 crore rupees. But after the road shows, they brought down their expectation to about a little over 1,800 crore rupees. So we need to see at what end of the price band really most of the investors come in for this particular issue.